Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll show you how to refer your prospects on the sale package, how to register your downline on Peritia on the sale package. Okay, this is what you do. You scroll down and go to referral link. This is my referral link. All you have to do is you copy your referral link. Okay, you click on copy. Now my referral link is copied, so I'll advise you to go to your notepad and save your referral link on your notepad. The advantage is this: whenever you want to register your prospect on Peritia, you just have to click on your referral link to register them. Now watch me as I go to my notepad and paste it there. Now you can just go to your notepad. This is iPhone. If you are using Android, you go to your notepad and do that. Okay, so I'll just paste it. This is my referral link. Okay, so now if you want to register your prospect, just click on it. Simple. It will take you to your page. It will take you to your referral page. So now what you do is you insert your prospect's first name, you insert your prospect's last name, username, password, confirm password, email address, phone number. Okay, so you select any skill of your choice. Just select any skill. Then you select the plan. Depends on the coupon code that you are purchasing from a verified vendor. Is it on sale package or turnover package? If it is on sale package, you click on sale package. If it is on turnover package, you click on turnover package. Simple, easy peasy. Okay, so now you select the country. Is it Nigeria that you're registering? Is it Ghana? Is it other countries? You select. Okay, after that you insert the coupon code you get from a verified vendor. Okay, so if you're having difficulties in getting the coupon code, you can chat me with the number on your screen. I'm a verified vendor on Peritia. I can help you to get the coupon code. Okay, now after clicking and inserting your coupon code, make sure your name is showing. Okay, this is my name, Black Creation. Make sure your name is showing. Very important. If your name is not showing, don't click on create account. Make sure your name is showing. Then you accept the terms and condition you get. After that, you click on create account. You just click on create account. Then at the top you are going to see register successfully. Very simple and easy. Okay, so follow these steps, you will definitely create your Peritia account.